All right, so we're out here with the Daniel Defense H9 9mm pistol. It's designed with a low bore axis. We got a 15 round magazine of some 115 grain 9mm, just a mix of Winchester normal stuff. We're gonna try it out here, see if we can hit some steel plates. We're about 15 yards right now. So yeah, first shots with the Daniel H9. Recoil's nice. It's very controllable, very comfortable in the hand. I really like the full metal, decently accurate with iron sights at 15 yards. So that's the first 15 rounds through this. I really like it.